Hello, today we will look at some important bits belonging to class 10th science. Is burning a candle a physical change or a chemical change? It is a chemical change. Identify the type of reaction in the given equation. It is a combustion reaction. Which is the stronger acid with pH 5 or with pH 2? A solution with pH 2 is a stronger acid. Name the type of mirror used in the headlights of a car. Concave mirror. Mention the site of complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in humans. Small intestine and alimentary canal. Name the extensively coiled structure of alimentary canal. Ileum. Mention the part of the brain which maintains the posture and balance of the body. Cerebellum. Where does aerobic respiration occur in a cell? Mitochondria. Why paint is applied on iron articles? Rusting of iron is a redox reaction. What is meant by least distance of distinct vision? It is defined as the minimum distance between the eye lens and the object to form a clear image. Thank you.